Yes, me I say good afternoon again to all of my YouTube subscribers. You don't know the one dan. So me come again and say yo. Them say who feels it knows it, you see me. Me know a woman feel the hands of man when they hurt them, yeah. And me know a man feel the hands of some woman when they hurt them. But right now you see them young girl yeah. Me I tell all the man them where I work, say yo, you see if a girl have her man, me I tell her this straight. You might like her, yes, and she might pretend like she like you and try to tell us that she love you, but deep in her heart she a fuck with the man in her yard, we can't give her nothing. So you hear me I say to some of you, man, we are work hard like myself. You put on yourself first, fix up on yourself, fix up on your house. You see what me I say, bring out yourself, nobody bring out no girl. We have our man, because if a girl can tell us say, oh, she love the man, she can fuck her good, that means that she don't mean herself no fucking good. And when you are deal with her, she gonna tell you say, yo, she look better life and all these fucking things. Some of them girls just chat. Some of them girls if you look on them, you see fuck mark on them for it. So yeah, some girls they can't really control them vagina because they see a man they like and a man give them good talk. They don't know nothing about the man. And them just gonna go fuck with the man and same thing then come back a yard with the same man where I fuck them and I give them nothing. So you the man where I give them something. Them try to take you for idiot and try to use you and try to get all of what them want out of you and behind that them no love you. You see what me I say? So all of the man them we have work hard. Whether you have a woman at your yard or you know live with a woman, especially the man when I know a woman like myself yeah. Yeah, try and save no money and spend no money wisely upon yourself. Don't spend it upon no girl who have them man already. You see what me I say? Yeah. Because me spend per woman, yeah, we have them man already. But in our ending part, there's nothing for me to get because what? She love her man and she not gonna love. She will tell us that she love you, but she not love me. She just tell me that to me feel good. Basically, me I tell some of the man out there, so no have some girl that fool or no, and a trick or no. And them a skin out them front and give them man a yard and nah give them a dollar when nah look out for them. If them want a year in their head, them have to go around to all of them man friends to get make up to do it. Maybe they might find a look one man we can give them the one money. But at the same time, they not treat the man the good. So basically, me I tell some of the man to work hard like myself. Yeah. Put on yourself first, set up on yourself first, love yourself first. You see me? If a girl can stay with a man when not giving her a thing, just fuck alone. You see what me I say? And then I go talk about she want better life. Basically, she no mean herself no fucking good. Them say good things come from nothing at all. It's from nothing to something, yes. That's what my father would have said. But right now, in a them a time too hard. For your man, for you as a man, we're single. Because spend upon another man, woman, it don't make no sense when the woman a sell you out and I do all these kind of things to you. See me? And then the latter part, you go tell us you're not a helper when you are a helper. So some of them girls are ungrateful, brother. So some of them only feel loud, they make them dead for hunger and feel the hands of hungriness, man. Only feel loud, they make them feel the hands of hardship. Me love woman, but John know some of them are wicked, brother. Especially some of them young girls, yeah, them are Delilah. So me, I tell some of them man out there we are work hard. Save no money, put on yourself first, set up on yourself first. Don't set up no girl for them laugh off of you with you and them man. Them and them man, you see me? I mean, them and them man. And them will laugh off of you. Yeah. Them be a grind the man and take from you and she and the man will laugh off of you. You see me? Some girl full of crosses, just like how some man full of blood clot crosses. You see me I say? Yeah. From the day them born them full of crosses. So me I tell you this, yo, some of them now no God in them, no care see them go to church. Yeah, crosses just depend them because they do a lot of wickedness to people. And I try to live a good life now. Yeah, because they watch too much blood clot movie and think that's how it's gonna go. The Bible says what goes around comes around. So yeah, me I say, the woman them out there with a mind man and the man not pay them no attention. When you stop it and find the man will real and truly give you no attention and spend back on you. The man them will spend per woman and them not go no attention. Them a give another man all the attention. You see me? No care what kind of vibes you hold with them not give you the attention. You on man need to find the woman where would give you the attention. You see me? Because some of them girls are just money them love for from your kind. Yeah man, at that then just a take and a skin out them pussy a girl or some man out the road now. When I mean them not good or nothing. They may tell us that them not friggy I like some of them I tell. The amount of man them taking space a day, you wanna believe. You see what I say? Yeah, so when some of them are dead for blood clot hungry, and if you left them man, yeah, I mean tell you man them say when some man wanna help them and them are going like them want style, Just like some man will help some girl and them are going them want style, and I make it look like them can't do without you. Some of them can't do without your blood clot. Because when them have to go through them, they really want to go through that them know so they have you can fulfill the need there. So all of the man them are wasting time for some girl when I mean them not good. Take the time and spend on yourself and house. The same thing goes to some woman. Find a good man where would have spend back on you and give you all the time in the world. Yes, that's what me say. Because some of them girl, young girl, some of them are drunk, bro. Yes, woman, some man out there dog shit. Me I tell you that straight. And a violation thing, a reality thing. So, you hear me I say the one down. I mean I violate and this nobody, but I truth. Some them of them girl, if you're not fire a bomb buckler gun, then fuck you. If you're not in the badness, then fuck you. That me I tell you. So working man I always suffer. You see what I say? Yeah. And knock girl out there fuck some waste man that can give them $1. When you just fuck and you're hungry, how do you think they look for? The man who are work, them have a man who are friend. The man them have a work, the man who are friend. So as they come, so they say they're hungry. They want something and you run go buy, go give them. And when them belly full, them gonna lie down and go smoke and drink with the man when I give them blood clot. Nothing. Yo, yeah, me I say man, some of them man to be top broke them woman about too, And some of them man to be top broke some man bad, sir. Good man out there deserve no treatment. You see me woman, good woman out there deserve no treatment, you see man. So, you hear me I say man, at that me I say, yeah, when you take on the money spend on yourself, if you don't find out your girl no mean you no good man. And all of the woman them we are spend and the girl them we are spend on some man, you know mean you no good and not going no time in the world. You don't need to find a man that would have given you that time there and spend quality time, you know, and spend back on you. Yeah, there's a lot of good man out there and same time there's a lot of garbage out there too. You see me I say so.